Welcome. In this video, I will walk you through the navigation menu of your Garmin Edge 540. So here we have the home screen of our device, which we can access simply by pressing the return button several times until we get right here. So yeah, here we have the road navigation with the compass, which of course shows us the directions according to the rotation of our device. Then we also have training schedule, we have group ride widget, we have history of rides, we have notifications menu, and at the very bottom we have the menu itself and the edit button if you want to edit something in here in the glances menu. Now in menu we also have access to activity profile, sensors, if you have any, your stats, and the rest of the quick settings. Now, if we scroll up, we'll get to the widgets and control center. Okay, so here is the control center, and this is what you will most probably see once you navigate up from the glances. And here we can basically either work with what we have here in the control center, or if you want to, you can scroll down to access the controls or notifications or weather info or segment explorer, and also the climb explorer. Now, if you want to change something in here, first you're gonna have to press options key, and this will let you highlight the specific option that you want to change. So we can go to activity profiles, we can go to settings, we can check battery, we can check our GPS, we can change our brightness and also enable or disable the auto brightness. Then we can also adjust the sensors, and we can synchronize both the sensors and our smartphone. Now, once you're done here, you can just press back and scroll through the widgets. If you want to return back to your home screen, you need to press the return button once again. Now, of course, we also have the this play button, which will start the ride, and here we'll see our activity screens. We can also scroll through them, we can check the map, we can check the speeds, we can check the original and the custom activity screens. And to end the ride, you have to hold this button down. Then you can either save it by clicking right here, or if you want to discard it, you have to click this button and then scroll down to discard ride, confirm. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.